Here's how to use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. Now, if you have an Apple Watch and you wanted to just be able to pay for things contactless using the NFC reader, I'm going to show you how. But the first thing we need to do is on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, take your finger and swipe down and then type in Watch. And then just tap on the Watch app to open it up. After you've done that, scroll down from here towards the bottom and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. After you've done that, tap on Apple Pay Defaults and make sure that you've selected a default credit card, a shipping address, email, and phone number. And after you've done that, let's scroll back here and make sure that there's a credit card or debit card added to your payments on your watch. If you haven't added one yet, just hit the add card and then go through the process of adding the card, either just by scanning it or manually entering it in. Either one works perfectly fine. Now, after we've gone through that process, I've added my Robinhood Gold card here. I can use it on my Apple Watch by double pressing the button below this main wheel. So it's not this one. If I double press this button, you can see it just pops up with all of my apps. However, I'm going to double press this button. If I press it twice, you can see my gold card pops up here, and I can hold it near a reader just to pay for anything that I want. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave a comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, was this legitimately helpful to you, or did I miss something and you're still running into issues? Thanks, guys.